guys, it's Summer here with the Storyteller Scoop. We're out here in Kingston Springs, Tennessee, just west of Nashville. I'm out here with Joel Hempel. Joel, tell the people what we are doing today.
Hey, Summer, we're here for a site visit at Bell's Reserve, which is a 500-acre piece of property. And we're here for a visit to make sure that the all-women's event that we're going to host here in May 1st through the 4th, is going to be an epic event for all of you. We've packed the agenda with off-road recovery course and training about how to drive off-road. We've got a river that runs right through the property to do some kayaking, some mountain biking, some hiking. We've got yoga classes. We're going to have live music. I mean, the agenda is going to be a lot of fun for everybody. And so we hope you all come on out and join us here in May. You're going to be able to sign up for it on our website, Fernweh Guided Expeditions.com. And please hurry up, sign up.
Yeah, it's going to be a great time. I personally can't wait. I'll put the website in the description so you can click on that to go learn more and secure your spot. Cannot wait to see you out here. Of course, Joel's available if you have any questions.